Science experiments to try at home. This video has been produced by an artificial intelligence. Leave a comment with a topic for the next video. Science experiments to try at home. 1. Make a volcano. This is a classic science experiment that kids love. All you need is baking soda and vinegar. Pour baking soda into a small container. Pour vinegar into a small container. Place the two containers next to each other. Have your child help you quickly create a volcano shape out of the baking soda. Pour the vinegar into the center of the baking soda and watch the eruption. 2. Grow a crystal. This is another classic science experiment that is perfect for kids. All you need is a jar, water, salt, and string. Tie the string around the middle of the jar. Make sure it is tight enough that the string doesn't move. Pour in the salt and then fill the jar with water. Put the jar in a place where it will not be disturbed. Wait a few days and then check on the crystal. 3. Make a tornado. This is a fun science experiment that kids will love. You will need a large container, water, food coloring, and dish soap. Fill the container most of the way with water. Add a few drops of food coloring. Add a few drops of dish soap. Put your hand in the water and make a tornado shape. Watch as the tornado forms. 4. Make a rainbow. This is another classic science experiment that kids love. You will need a glass, water, white vinegar, and food coloring. Fill the glass most of the way with water. Add a few drops of white vinegar. Add a few drops of food coloring. Watch as the rainbow forms. 5. Make a tornado in a bottle. This is a fun science experiment that kids will love. You will need a bottle, water, food coloring, and dish soap. Fill the bottle most of the way with water. Add a few drops of food coloring. Add a few drops of dish soap. Put the cap on the bottle and shake it up. Watch as the tornado forms in the bottle. Thanks for watching.